Hi guys, in this short video I just want to make you aware of a new feature Matillion recently announced. The link on this page is from the start of April this year, and if I come down to towards the middle of this page, we've now got something called Preview Labs in Matillion ETL, and it mentions that this feature's being released initially to support the DBT integration capability. What this allows you to do then is combine Matillion and DBT together. So Matillion's orchestrating all of your data movement. That includes the E and the L. It can do your transformation, so it can do the T element, but a lot of organizations are adopting and moving to DBT. And if you don't know what that is, I'll put a link in the banner above so you can get up to speed with that quite quickly and run through my playlist on this channel. However, you're going to mix and match Matillion and DBT depending on what you need to do and what your requirements are. So in this video, we're just going to take a short look at what that looks like, and I'll point out a few things to you. So it mentions here in the Preview Labs functionality, you can now put DBT integration in. It's currently in preview, and Matillion are seeking feedback here as well. So let's have a look at switching this on and what it looks like. Now on the Matillion website, there's a section telling you about Preview Labs. You can go into Matillion, click Admin, into Preview Labs, and there you're able to switch on certain features which are currently in preview. So let's have a look at Matillion and give that a go. So let's go to Admin and go to Preview Labs. There's our Run DBT, and it mentions that it allows users to run one or more DBT commands on the files imported from a remote Git repository. So we have to save and restart the server to enable that. So let's pause the video while we give that a couple of seconds. Once your server is back online, you'll be able to access the run DBT command in Matillion. But first, before you can actually execute and run that, you will need to install DBT on your Matillion ETL instance. Now in here, there's detailed instructions of how to do that. I'm not going to go through it in this particular video at any level of detail, but I just wanted to point that out, that the instructions are here. You will need to install DBT on your Matillion ETL server before it gives you the ability to actually run and execute the DBT commands itself. As you would expect, it's similar in terms of configuration to any other component in Matillion where you have a property and a particular setting that you need to specify to enable it to work. So we've restarted our server, we're back into our Matillion environment. I'm just going to open a random job, and I have the run DBT command component now available with the various configuration values ready to be input into there. And then, as I said, once you've installed DBT on your server, you can then execute these DBT commands as part of an orchestration job. So effectively, you could then onboard data from Amazon S3, for example, using Matillion onto Snowflake, and then triggering a DBT command further down the track to get the best of both worlds. It's still quite new, but I just wanted to do a quick video on it just to make you aware that it existed and what's involved in terms of getting it up and running. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, keep watching, keep subscribing, new videos coming soon. I also wanted to let you know about our Mastering Snowflake program with myself that we run, and it's an exclusive signature program to help you master Snowflake and learn how to design, implement, and scale solutions in the cloud. And I've designed this program specifically for those people who have either scratched the surface using Snowflake or who are stuck working with legacy on-premise technologies and haven't been invested in by their companies and have fallen behind in their career. And what I've done is packaged up my knowledge and experience of working with Snowflake since 2017 and learning how to package up Snowflake's out-of-the-box capabilities in a way where you can apply them in the real world to address common challenges. So this program isn't about theory. Of course, I need to introduce you to the concepts if you're new to Snowflake, and many of my members are, but it's really about introducing the theory and then in practice how you apply those in the real world. I've been through the pain of understanding what works and what doesn't. Now I've got a formula or a set of recipes, if you like, that show you how to do that. So the Mastering Snowflake program includes in-depth, on-demand video course content that I've created that all include practical hands-on demos. I provide access to all the code, templates, and files that I use as part of those demos, so you can download them and use them freely. You may want to use them in your day-to-day work. You may want to take them and customize them and use them as a starting point. All members on the program get exclusive access to a members-only group where everybody can help each other out and share their knowledge and best practice and get expert advice. Finally, I also carry out a group 60-minute coaching call with all the members, totally optional, where you can ask me anything about Snowflake, data analytics, data strategy, data architecture, you name it, interview advice, and I can help you and give my input and help and support and guidance around that. Finally, you'll get lifetime access to all feature updates. Snowflake's changing and evolving. There's new features and releases every week, and you'll continue to benefit from those updates as well. At a high level, there's 10 modules. This is what we cover, everything ranging from the Snowflake architecture to getting data into Snowflake. And then once you've got data, how do you effectively use it, secure it, share it, and work with it to ensure that you get the maximum value from your Snowflake implementation. If you're interested, I've included the application link in the video description below. If this sounds like the thing that you're looking for and you want to supercharge your career, and if you're ready to take the ultimate step, I'd really encourage you to fill out the application form below.